Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. And here it is, the 5th of November. October. Here, I'm trying to make the year in faster, aren't I? No, it's October, not November. Hey, congratulations to everybody that held over PTON. Pretty exciting. You should all be pretty happy today. Some will be taking profits right away. Gaps or gifts, just a hint. And some will wait it out. Some may have more than one position on it. More than one. If you traded the stock, you might have more than one share. If you have options, you might have more than one contract. Some are going to sell some and keep some. But either way, congratulations. 2 thumbs up. Enjoy your Friday. Yeah, enjoy your Friday. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, what else do we have here? So it's Friday and I don't really have any trade ideas. We'll take a look at some of yours if you like, but I do have some charts I want to go through. First, I want to talk about SPY here. So SPY is a nice bullish move to the upside. We have something we call the T-line run. T-line run is when, some of you may have heard it, T-line run is when price holds the T-line and just keeps on going above it. What starts a T-line run? I'd say 4 or 5 days, maybe. We could start looking at that. And you can see there's the T-line, that dotted line right there. We haven't closed below it, not one single time. And that's a nice little T-line run. It looks to me like we're headed to 470.35. That's kind of my target up here right now. What it does from there, that's a big question. You know, I'm reading what you guys are saying, and I'm looking at my calendar here. I got to tell you, I'm really messed up. This is November 5th. I have not had enough coffee, and the truth is, I slept in this morning. I was really, really late this morning. Holy cow! November. Mercy me. All righty. Thanks for that. For me, anyway, I'm in this wall of worry. I'm very concerned we're too high. It just makes me kind of worry. So it's just that simple bullish wall of worry here. T2122, we're high. We've actually pushed below our 80 mark. Does below the 80 mark mean the world going to come to an end? No, it doesn't. It's just a reference for traders is all it is. And we'll keep an eye on this, but more importantly, follow the price in the chart. My focus today will be on price and price action and the T-line. So if we were to get, let's see, there we go, some pullback, then you got to know most people are going to be a little bit nervous. But I'm not going to be all bearish until we get through the T-line right there. And that may take, that may take a couple of days. Could happen in one day too. But that's where I will become bearish. That's my trend. And the chart right now is in my what I would have to call my best bullish trend anytime it's above the T-line. So be careful today, be cautious. We are high, but you know what? The bulls are still running. So mind your rules. Very, very important. Okay, please, everybody, be patient with me on this. I would like to talk about this a little bit. The end of this month, 2 days. It's not a 2-day class. It's a class Thursday. It's a class Saturday. I'm doing a class each day on the rounded bottom breakout. And what we're going to be looking for is rounded bottom breakout. And this is a rounded bottom breakout right there, this section right through there. And that's what we're going to be looking at. When to buy, how to find them. I'm going to have code, stuff like that, all kinds of code. And, we're going to look for where common stops are or common road bumps are. What's going to happen if it's up here and it pulls back? What do you do about that? Where to take profits off, or at least a common place to take profits off. Here's another one. We're going to learn about 2 other things, and I'm going to expand it to learn about the stocks that are almost around a bottom breakout, because a lot of people do like to buy right in this area. Now, I'm not going to get into bottom picking. We're going to be off the bottom, but this is an excellent place to get in early. It's a nice chart. You've got your low, your high, your higher low. It's doing what it's doing. So we're going to look at how to find those. Again, code, and I use TC2000. I use the live trading alerts. So there'll be code for TC2000, code for live trading alerts on this. And again, we're going to look for where common pitfalls are, what common pitfalls are there. We're going to look where resistance is, where support is. There's just a few of them here I've got in there. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. Here's the other thing we're going to be doing, and I've tossed this around for a couple of days, and I've decided it's going to be the 3-bar chart. But we're also going to look for rounded bottom breakouts intraday using a 3-bar chart. Now, I will be not necessarily looking at charts, but alluding to how you can do this on an hourly chart as well. But we will be focusing on that 3-bar chart after, or maybe along with, the daily chart setups. So it's just simple charts. How did we get here? What makes the construction over here to the left worthwhile? Why would you want to get into, say, maybe this rounded bottom breakout versus the other one? Maybe the other one, yeah, it might be a rounded bottom breakout, but it's got too many things going against it. We're going to put a checklist together, what's positive, what's not. So there's 2 more we'll look at. We're done. Here's Copen. Look at Copen here. What a nice chart. Just quick run up here. And then another one. This is just a monster right here. I know a few people that were in this, and they've actually quit trading now for, I don't know, they've gone on vacation. They got into Copen down here, and they rode it actually up over the 200 for 149%. And they actually, they had a lot of money in it. And they actually took off on vacation for a while. So they said, we'll see you, Rick. Could be back later. But anyway, that's November, I believe it's Thursday, November 18th, and then it's Saturday, November 20th. Okay, enough of that. Does anybody have any charts that you want to take a peek at today? Anybody out there? Hey, Malcolm, where's Malcolm at? I just saw Malcolm's name. Is he here? I have to thank Malcolm for the PTON. Now, Malcolm's been holding PTON for I don't know how long. And I've said that I think PTON's going to be a $3 chart. Now, I probably should stop saying that because I don't think I literally mean a $3 chart. Not literally. However, I could be persuaded without a lot of work that this could be back down here at $30. I really do. So just saying. We'll monitor PTON. Let's see. JW, APO, thank you for throwing a chart out there. Again, it's Friday morning. It is November 5th. Man, nice J-hook. So a J-hook is when we rally up and then we pull back and we make a J. Now the J hasn't quite been made yet. The J is after we break out of that top. And you can see now, you can see the J right there. That doesn't mean that we look for charts that are set up to become a J-hook breakout. And right here is top notch. That is top notch. Earnings are not till next February. Thumbs up on that. The overall trend looks great. That's a beautiful chart. That is a beautiful chart. Let's put that on our watch list. Thank you very much, JW. Thoughts on Apple? I'm a little here. You know what? Let's turn real time off here, and it'll clean that up a little bit. There you go. I'm going to have to be bullish on Apple for now. I think Apple's got a lot of work up here. I do believe that. You know, if we take a look at this, well, we can start just most recently, right here, 153-ish. We start running into a little bit of resistance right in here. There's a good one right there. So I would have to say I'm bullish on Apple right now. I'm not 100% sure this is the buy on Apple. But then when we're looking at it, really, will it, you know, when we're looking to trade it, will it really matter if we buy it here or buy it right there? I just don't believe it'll matter that much. But right now, I am bullish on Apple. The main reason I'm bullish on Apple is the trend here. Price action wise, let's clean this up. See if we can smooth it out. Here's a 2-day chart, a little smoother. 3-day chart, a little smoother. 3-day chart actually shows the resistance a little bit better. 4-day chart, resistance, a little smoother. Weekly chart. Weekly chart looks great. There you go. There's my thoughts on Apple. Sorry that took so long, Nancy. Let's see. Thoughts on FLR. Bullish because we're in a trend. No real sell signal. We're right here at a resistant top. I'm not sure how you feel about that. Resistant tops are just speed bumps, but it could bump around. We have a little double top right here. It could bump around. Let's see what pre-market is, or real time is doing. Real time is up, so it looks like we're going to try to move up out of that resistance level. So I'm going to have to be bullish here. Yeah, we have a gap over here that could get filled on FLR. Let's see, CFG. CFG, let's look at follow through here. Let's look at follow through. So above 48.40 maybe. Amilda, yeah. Good bullish engulf, good consolidation. I like the idea above 48.40. If you already own it in here, world's not coming to an end. Just put a stop in there wherever you think you might not like it, and I think I might not like it at 47.80. Let's see, XLU. Until it actually moves, I really don't have an opinion on this one way or another. Until it moves. Watch list material. Nice bottom here. We broke out. That's great. Here we've rallied up. We've pulled back. We don't have anything here to chew on today. Not yet. And if we start seeing follow through, that'd be a different story. So worth the watch list. All right, I'm going to do Bank of America and WYNN, and then I have to cut it off here. Bank of America, doggone. I was kind of happy with Bank of America yesterday. It kind of fell out a little bit. Let's see if it comes back up. If it does, I'm likely to be long Bank of America. If it closes below the 17 here, EMA, then I'm actually going to look for the 50-period moving average to get tagged. So we'll keep our eyes on that one. WYNN. WYNN had earnings, didn't it? Looking at this chart, I'm going to have to be bullish. Yeah. This is a rounded bottom breakout here. Candlestick-wise, I think is pretty good overall. If it starts to move up, yeah, I'm going to have to be bullish on that. Alrighty, I need to check out of here and get some things done before the open. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here. I appreciate it on this Friday, November 5th. We'll see everybody in about